Shopping malls are among the busiest and preferred destinations during Ramadan. The combined retail, dining, and leisure experience present an ideal situation for families and friends to spend time together. In keeping with the season, shopping malls are beautifully decorated and have dedicated areas wherein a variety of entertainment programs and cultural activities are organized. Promotions and prizes also abound to promote goodwill.
So basically, we are talking about a full experience for everybody who visits Dubai Festival City. They can come here, they can eat here, they can enjoy the time. Families and mothers and fathers can just leave their kids coloring and enjoying everything here, everything for free.
It's better here in Dubai.
Yeah, feeling good. Places you go for the family and just enjoy like that. And, you have too much promotion, too much of some Dubai Mall, some Emirates Mall, like that Festival City. Exactly. This is for family.
It's kind of fun, you know, because in this summertime it's too hot outside. You should go some mall or somewhere like here. And it's always fun to come to this center, especially because of these shows going on. So it's kind of fun, you know. We usually gather the family over for iftar and we eat all together, sometimes some relatives, friends. But after the iftar is gone and finished, we rarely go out, you know, because you have to pray and read Quran. So this is no exact celebration for me and my family, otherwise reading Quran and praying. But otherwise, like we, my friends, we go out sometimes to drink coffee, have fun with our kids, you know, and that's it.
The Arts and Crafts Corner is a popular section for children. In addition to the education factor on various subjects such as the environment, it also provides youngsters an insight to Ramadan and Islam.
Our main target is to get people to understand the culture and to feel with us locals, Muslims and Arabs, the month of Ramadan and how important and how beautiful actually the month is and how we are so celebrative of it. So the activities we have here, such as giving out free Arabic traditional coffee, free henna, coloring for the kids, it's to get the family together, to get people into the spirit of Ramadan and to get really people understanding how and why we are so happy and celebrative in this month.
Many Emiratis also volunteer during this time to share their age-old customs and traditions. Among them is university student Mohammed Sayed. He is a volunteer at the Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding, and he's showing the public how to prepare gahwa, the Arabic coffee. According to him, gahwa is important to Emiratis when breaking fast as it helps wash away much of the date's sweetness and aids digestion after iftar. He also added that the manner of pounding and banging the pestle from side to side of the mortar is a call for people to gather for a town meeting.
First of all, it is something that our religion told us to do, like to help and volunteer everywhere. And it's something for me, it's in my blood. I always volunteer everywhere. And whenever I hear an organization, people anywhere that needs volunteers, I always join. So it's like you get experience, you get the usually it is even fun to work with people.
According to scholars, in addition to spirituality and reflection, Ramadan offers a holistic approach to the society. As cliché as it may sound, charity does begin at home and extends to one's closest neighbors, followed by the wider community. The numerous events and activities across the country provide a much-needed balance between work and play. Thus, it is hoped that everyone would seek out opportunities to enrich themselves with knowledge while reaching out to those who are less fortunate.